It hasn't even been 2 weeks, or 1 week, I guess. Regular. It's my regular stream schedule at this point. Oh. So yeah, we're live. We should have went live like 2 hours ago. Yeah, but time. Anyway, we've got some stuff to finish. Yeah, Satan it is. It's the sunshine. Sunshine. That's interesting. So yeah, x86 paging, moders. Just a few things, and we'll be done. And the pull request will be done. Yeah. So if region, let's do end. The address first is below the kernel and address being non-inclusive. Sorry. So yeah, let's equal to physical kernel end. Then we're just gonna continue. This feels like C++ now to me. See if the region start address is below. Well, actually I should do minimum or something. Okay, let's do kernel physical end. Here, kernel physical end. So add zone takes what? Use sizes. So now I just need to take minimal of start address and kernel physical end. Actually, start and size. Let's do. Let start is region start address s underscore in physical address from use size. Now let's start this. So end being end address. Now if end is here, we're gonna continue. Then we do start as use size, and then hi Nigel, welcome in. And then we'll do so the size align down 4K. You know what, we can do not we can skip the alignment. Block size. Well, block size is what block size? Like block size can be less than page size actually. Page allocator being, well, we have it 4K actually. I'm going to install i5. That's pretty good. It's much better than I have. Well, I have Ryzen. I don't know about. I heard into like i9 series where. Well, I don't remember. There was something bad about them. So I've got Ryzen and I've got what 6 gigs of RAM. Radeon Vega and Nvidia something. Optimus i5. Okay. So end zone. Okay. Let's. So let's do start being. Soon we're gonna get it. Don't worry. We're gonna get it. Don't worry. It's like last few things. Okay, and wait, not end. Kernel. Oh my god, kernel. Oh, kernel physical end. Now we're gonna do start as usize and this, and we're gonna find the difference between end and start. Okay, should work, I think. And if it's 0, obviously, I guess. Well, we should handle it, I guess. Is 0 power of 2? It's not a power of 2. So we're gonna go through. So we're gonna end up not doing anything with this loop. Interesting, anyway. So this should work, I think. Here, we're running QEMU, and we should see just the same behavior but more size. Okay, zone is not aligned apparently, because we need to align this start or whatever. Start address. Huh. They say we're not gonna be doing anything interesting? No, I didn't say that. Okay, so for whatever reason, zone is not aligned. So it's both start and size. Okay, so don't worry, it's not that much left. Okay, anyway, yes, let's do start max and then align up memory address. We're actually can do align up 4K. Ideally, I should like check. I should do a lineup and do page allocator, page size or what, block size. I don't know. I don't think I can even do this. Let's do const allocator block size. Reason for non page size blocks is if we want to use this allocator for allocating actual stuff, not pages. I think actually I'm not gonna do it. So roll back to lineup 4K. And let's do this. Let's do end, and let's do if end is to the left of start, I guess, when you start. Or it's the same. We're gonna continue. Okay, now it should work. Now that should be. Okay, now we have what, 122 megabytes, I guess. 80. Okay, what? 120 megabytes exactly over RAM for whatever reason. I don't know. I think it should be more than that. Wait, it's actually 128. I'm pretty sure. But I think QEMU should have had more free space, and also this thing looks wrong. Okay, so kernel reserved and kernel end. Oh wait, this is wrong. This is totally wrong. I shouldn't have added this soon. No, it should say 32K, 32 kilobytes. Okay, so we have 32 kilobytes. Apparently, 32 kilobytes of RAM. Just 32 kilobytes of RAM. So this is not much. Let's do start and end. So let's print it, I guess. From start to end. It's gonna be hex pretty. Start and okay. Now, what do we get? It's like ready to type stuff in. So we're adding 158,027 FE00 00. This looks more than 32K to me. 7FE 1234 struct 158 hex please divide this by 400 kilobytes megabytes, so approximate. Okay, this is too much. No, this is too much. Feels like an overflow or something. Let's do so start and end. Let's do region start address and region end address, because I'm pretty sure Kim doesn't give this much RAM. I mean, it is 64-bit space. 7FE0000 and 100,000. Megabytes. This is the gigabytes. That's too much. It's just too much RAM. No way Kimi gives this much. No, hold on. That's off. Oh, that's kind of like integer division or something. Okay, can. Hold on, what? Is it actually dividing? Okay, let's switch to decimal. Okay, this is not right, huh? Wait, 1 to 4, 1 to 4, 1. Okay, so I guess it's not it's not working properly. Let's Google it. This is 126 megabytes. Now this, or maybe bytes. This is much closer to reality. Because apparently I can't divide. Not even with a computer, with a calculator. So 158. Let's 7 feet. No, this is the amount we are using, which is a little bit less due to alignment stuff. Or okay, it's actually less due to kernel start and stuff. Okay, so and this is also aligned down as well. So does game give me like 128 megabytes of RAM? I wonder what happens if I do Bosch. um, emulator Bosch run. Okay. Continue. Okay, this is gonna take a bit too lot to boot up. Now. Come on. And Lurk, you didn't even lurk. Should I add a check? Okay, this is quite slow actually. Okay, so it is different, at least. It's same 158 000. This is Bosch. 123 1 FF 134. Come on, it's like last stream we used it to catch a bug. I guess you weren't there actually. So Bosch gives us 30 megabytes of RAM, even less. By the way, it's not handling key press because page fault. So yeah, we've added, and it's now 98 kilobytes for whatever reason. Total memory. Okay, so total memory is computed wrong. It's not right. Close. Can do close. So yeah, we've used Bosch before to fix a bug, and yeah, it's just another emulator we can use now. If I del emulator and switch back, run it, it's gonna switch to QEMU. Now QEMU gives us more memory, but we're still at total memory of 32K for whatever reason, and I don't know why. Total memory zone size of zone size. Okay, so total sum of zone sizes. Add zone. Okay, so need to print a LAN. Actually, adding a zone size at address. Let's do this as hex as well. Now, so the size and let's do start. So like all actually added zones. Okay, I don't like this. It froze, and I think it might have crashed or something. So okay, let's let's switch to Bosch again. Installing hair. What's hair? I don't remember. Hairling. Whatever. What was that? Oh, system was lagging. System programming language is said to be simple, stable, and robust. Static type system, manual, memory management, minimal runtime. Writing operating systems, well, exactly what we're doing right now, I guess. System tools, compilers, networking software, and other low-level high-performance tasks. So basically for everything I like to do, right? Okay, this reminds me of something. Looks familiar, like the logo and the hair. At last line. Home sitemap source. Oh, hair fits on 3.5 inch floppy disk. There will be This will be available for purchase when Hair 1.0 is released. That's cool. Supporting Hair. This for support. That's cool. I don't have any floppy readers and will probably never buy one because I don't have that much money to buy random stuff. I kind of wish I had a Nintendo though. Do some fun programming on that. Make Orca suitable for Nintendo. So I think did stream on it and put the logo as the thumbnail. No, I don't think that's where it comes from. I don't think I have seen Sodding's hair stream. This looks similar to Glenda, to me. And, to the 9p. Do we? Maybe we have hair. No, we don't have hair, but maybe it was suggested at some point. Maybe that's why. But I haven't added it for whatever reason. Okay, so this worked. As opposed to QEMU, the emulator worked. Okay. Make hair nodding plushes, sure. I'll be happy to add them. My plush repository is like huge at this point. How many? Wanna bet actually? How many plushes we have without counting right now? Okay, so and by the way, overlay takes a while to load because of all those plushes also. Stresses didn't get released, huh? Proprietary icon areas in my plushes instead of applications. Well, then it's gonna load for a while. It's gonna take a while to load. But I mean, it's pretty good actually. I don't know about the licensing part, but even like using it for icons can be pretty good. And they all have soft body stuff set up and tags and stuff. Well, not tags, but groups and the aliases set up. Okay, so we're adding it at 8,000, 10,000 and 80,000 regions. We're adding... Oh wait, no. At 158, at 16... At 1600 and... Wait, at 160,000 and 170,000 and 158,000. Okay, makes sense, you know. So we're doing 8,000, 1,000, and 10 and 8. 80. This is more, but 994. Okay, so it's not counting the last one, the biggest one, for some reason. Oh wait, it fails to add this one, huh? Allocation error. It was an allocation error. So here when we're adding zones, and we print that we fail to add some memory zones, it's allocation error. Also, is there a log crate? I don't think there's a log crate. Only in the log. It's not sorry, in the microphone. Now, for some reason we're failing. And this is allocation error. Because so it's body allocator. So we're creating a new body allocator. Okay. Next power of 2. Yeah, we're doing power of 2 stuff. So well, option. It is an option because this thing returns none in case of allocation failure. Key space returns none. Layout from size align. Nodes count. Huh. Is size align valid? Con layout, nodes count. Pretty sure that's not it. I'm pretty sure it's backend allocate 0. So we don't have enough space maybe in the heap. And I guess this would be the right time to make heap expand. We mod rs. Let's just try increasing it from 4k to, I don't know, what is this? 32k. Let's go to this adding region line, and also add zones. Come on, stop modifying random lines of code. Okay, here we have a print as well. Now let's run this and see what happens. Now this is failed to add some memory zones. Still, this is memory zone. Okay, if I do more, it's not gonna fit at this point. But it did increase, I guess. Okay, let's do Bosch's one. And let's bring this back. And let's do build sh run overlay crash. What? Why? Ludo 4. This again. It's xtbx sleep thread sequence lost. Sorry about that. Okay, yeah. Xorg broke again, first of all. Second of all, yeah, you've seen how much loading took. Well, it's not that much actually, because Godot is, I guess, optimized or something. Uh, 14 megabyte medium detected. STD-ROM. Satan will be sold as a CD-ROM for supporting members. The 14 megabyte CD-ROM. Okay, so it's actually adding its zones. So it's allocating a lot of stuff. Okay, it allocated all the stuff. It's allocated all 31559680. So it allocated all of this. This is 30 megabytes. Okay, yeah. It allocated all memory it needed. Well, it added all the memory it needed, and it mapped, and it did all the stuff. And then it panicked at address space. Index is for what? Address space rs 45, line 45. Space rs. This was arch address space. 45th line. Mapped log guard. Page table at index. Log entry. I wish I had a backtrace here, but I mean, I don't have that. Okay, so apparently it's too much memory. Index is for whatever. I guess it's overflowing. Makes sense. Why? Why should there always be a problem? Why is there always a problem? Level. do I actually call it? Inset entry, in get entry. Okay, so virtual address, virtual address, virtual address. Hold on. So this is so index somehow index is like, hold on, what? Hold on, what? Okay, I'm gonna add parentheses around it. This is wrong. This is off. This should not happen. Index can't be outside, you know. Let's repeat. Why is it outside? Continue. Cont and continue here. Let's boot up. Like how we're masking it. Literally. And we're not like subtracting anything from it later. So we're adding a lot of zones. How? Line 45 indexes this large number. This is not possible. Because we're ending this with a mask. And page table entries is a set value of 4096. Magic box again? Please don't say it. Please don't tell me that there are weird bugs again. Welcome macro. Continue. Continue. Come on, boot up. So we're writing zones, then we're gonna map some stuff and it's gonna print some of those. And then we're gonna get to unmapping and for some reason crash. Okay, so we're checking all of the entries to hopefully get rid of a page table. Well, how? Something ended with this mask? Be like 4 billion or whatever. Well, it's after the end. This thing shows up. Yeah, this is pretty slow. Instructions per second, almost 2 million. Caps, either caps, scroll log, shift, then be 3 million, 2 million, 3 million, huh? Okay, it stopped. Internal keyboard buffer full, oh. It stopped for whatever reason. Huh? Why? What happened? QEMU. Wait, Bosch. Okay, let's do. Let's try running this in QEMU one more time. I'm gonna be switching emulators until the problem is gone. Okay, so it shows all of those, cancel through all of those. And yeah, we're locking mutexes all this time. Oh no. Why does it take so long? 204 and then index is 4 billion for whatever reason. Like, right out of nowhere, let's say. Like, how? It's not. It's 204. Balance is 100. Wait, 1024, which is right. Index is 4 billion. It's not possible. It's not possible. Why? It's like only possible if it's I don't know, memory or overflow, stack overflow, whatever, and it's unchecked. This is magic again. Now, so we have feature allocator API and x86 ABI interrupt. Just stable night. Is there like a stable nightly channel where I could use features but wouldn't use the unstable nightly parts? Because that's what I suspect is happening again. 2016. Done. Congrats. Why? Why is it failing? Well, first of all, this would not fit, probably. Yes, I am using nightly. Because, yeah, as I just said, main areas. We need those two features, ABI x86 interrupt and allocator API. Which force me to use nightly. But I would actually prefer stable, because without stable it's too unstable. It's like, it's actually just so unstable, it crashes sometimes. Well, I suspect the issue. So yeah, I don't know. Nightly availability for stuff. Oh yeah. I think that was the thing I was asking for in Discord at some point. Well, something similar. Rust toolchain. Okay, what's Rust toolchain chain help. Come on. So list, can do list installed and list. Okay, I only have nightlies. Great. This is the default. This is the override. Yeah, you can't just do a regular nightly. Build run. It's gonna re-download. Yes, it is gonna re-download the toolchain. Gonna sync to latest update, which is today. No, it's yesterday's. It's yesterday's update. It's yesterday's update. Okay, so we're downloading some components, standard library, docs and stuff. I'm gonna have to install them. And yeah. Notifications. I started the stream. Okay, installing. Removing previous versions. So we're installing again. I wonder how it's all going on in the backend. So cargo is like a script, a shell script that runs all the stuff. But first goes. Oh wait, no, cargo is a symlink to Rust-up cargo, isn't it? I think cargo is a symlink to which cargo, and we'll have to rebuild it. So yeah, if I do this file on this, it's a symbolic link to Rust-up bin cargo. And a file on that will give me see, it's a symbolic link to Rust-up. to just raw stuff. And so yeah, I guess if raw stuff is like executed as cargo, oh, frames are roving. No. Come back, encoding lag. Yeah, because compiling, it's encoding lag. Rendering and encoding, at least it's not network. Oh my god. All the frames are dropped. Hopefully audio is fine-ish. Okay, it should be fine now. Cause it failed to build. Apparently. I need a tool chain. Wait, no, I need the GCC. Audio is fine. Oh wait. That's because I was building not in the Nix shell. Run. So it's run for QEMU. And it's gonna recompile some stuff for some reason. Oh yeah, not for some reason, it's just because GCC is now available. It's gonna compile that. Now, let's see. It should work this time, hopefully. Okay, it does work. I can tell it does work. Now, we've updated the Rust toolchain. Oh wait, no, hold on. It loops the second time. Yeah, it still works. Okay, it still goes. So we've updated the toolchain and hold, that's right. That's all. Okay, so it's alright. Now, what resolves the issue? Rust toolchain update? Recompilation of the toolchain? Who knows? All because nightly. Well, I mean, nightly is unstable. Which makes sense. And it's fine when I'm developing desktop applications, but when it's like operating system development, it can just stop working. It like operating system development is just full of undefined behavior, just like embedded systems. And I don't like Rust for embedded systems again because I don't like the concept of taking pins. But I guess if I try again, just like always, just like everything in Rust, I will like this concept now. Maybe I should. I don't know what's Rust current embedded development best framework is. For Arduino, for example, like the most consider using for embedded besides C++, only because of Arduino, because and Platform.io. Those two things are just so Arduino is a monopoly of embedded development, and by embedded I mean everything that's a microcontroller. So yeah, STMs and stuff. Besides C and C++, maybe Zig, then Rust. Okay, again, Hair, possibly, I don't know. I'm not sure about this. So yeah, C, C++, Zig, and that's it. I'm probably not gonna recommend anything else. Well, assembly, obviously. What was it called? OTRT? That's your acronym. You have abbreviated it first. Now, oh wait, OTRT. Now, can you tell what it is? What I mean by that? Okay, I'm gonna start typing and you're gonna realize immediately. Okay, maybe not immediately. I'm pretty sure this is the URL. Okay, maybe not this one. Oh, it compiled. Hold on. Here. Yes, exactly. What? You, like... Okay, so... I don't remember when exactly, but I was streaming and you said like, oh, this game was written in Zig, I didn't know that. And now like half a year later, you're also surprised by that. Oh, and they forgot how this worked. Yeah, look at those fancy animations. Okay, by the way, it's so long for only for the first time, and it's gonna reset quicker this time, because it was annoying. Now I need to actually recall how it's done. Trying to find Easter egg in this. Oh my god. Let's just play it, because why not? Yeah, I remember. I should have hit something there. I just left. I mean, I left it. Very fun and very loud. Yeah, true. How do you turn it down? I don't know. Do I have? I don't have wood monster. Why is it not pinned then? Pin. Also, I'm not using pieces anymore. Remove. Volume master. Quieter. No! So let's just have a little playthrough. By the way, Turing complete the game. I'm gonna play it at some point. Submission to Microjam 17. Yeah, I think they had their own thing. Yes, exactly. We're gonna be writing a like Orco Zig backend, and they're gonna ask, have you written anything in Zig? And oh my god, I forgot I could do a shortcut. But the shortcut involves no... I just jumped down. The shortcut involves no checkpoint, so I guess it's fine. Use space to jump, yes. Oh no. Oh no. I'm stuck. Okay. Okay, I did this again! Ah! Okay, let's do it. Now, I need to be careful here. Okay, did... Water. You can now swim. This is the end of the game. Yeah. Now, like, it's not like bubbles are coming out constant. Well, they are, I guess. But it's not like the before you could swim. And yeah, this is using the skinning technique from the Astortion developer. Wish I could like shift when swimming. This would be kind of fun. I should make a game around that. Should make a game around swimming. So yeah, can you actually get up? Oh, you can actually get up, but not anymore. I wonder if like people spend time trying to figure out how to get up. And it's just me testing how tiles interact with each other. Because I spent so much time on this. You can't even imagine. Anyway. So yeah, Arduino is the monopoly. That was you, I know. So Arduino is a monopoly of embedded development. And okay, next time I'm gonna do an Easter egg, okay? Also, I know what game I want to try to make next time, but it's gonna be too hard, probably too hard. It's probably like scope creep even before I start making it. So, not sure. But I have a really interesting game mechanic in mind. Anyway. So yeah, Arduino is a monopoly. Platformio is Arduino but improved. And then you have Zig, which I don't know how embedded how embedded is here. And then you have Rust, which I mean it's actually pretty advanced, because if you look at ST77, what is it, 3.5 display driver, I don't know, SD, hard, I don't know, RFID reader. Okay. Not sure. A Windows laptop first, 16GB RAM, Intel i7. They took it back saying they need it so they can give you the Ubuntu laptop. They ruined the laptop with Windows did. did something very strange in general. Huh? And why did I read it as in general? I don't know. Anyway. Yeah, I guessed. Also, this thing worked. 3, whatever. Failed to add. It still fails to add some zones because it doesn't have enough memory. We'll need to handle out of memory. So yeah. Again, pick something. For example, okay, SSD. C06. Like, I only remember technical names for OLED displays. Oh, it actually this 1302, for example. Okay, so yeah, there are a lot of libraries in Rust. I don't know about Zig, and I want to see running Rust on Arduino boards, cause well, if it can run on Arduino Nano or whatever, I'm pretty sure it's like pretty much the same tool, the same setup for other boards. For example, RP2040, which is what I'm developing for right now, and I guess STM8. I mean, I don't know if you can actually build for STM8 Rust. STM8 doesn't even support C++ toolchain. libudev sys. Ha! What? libudev? Why would I need libudev? For Arduino Hall. Well, Arduino hardware abstraction layer is also I did Rust for ESP. You know, embed the Rust framework. Using Rust and async. Next generation framework for embedded applications. Safe, correct, and energy efficient. Yeah, I guess. Should I open it right now? I guess I can click here. Oh, what's that? It feels like almost like as if it's I don't know, taped. It really feels like a static, like not what display shows to me. So no charging. Is it possible like that you have I don't know, weird noise in the charger? Well, in the power lines. I bet it would not propagate through the charger, but I don't know, bad design. And it messes up stuff. Or just that you have an aura where text stops working. just. Oh, by the way, NRF52. Oh wait, that's not okay. Anyway, RP2040, which is interesting. Okay, so embedded async, and like it supports all the hardware I would want to. Because it has RP2040, RP23XX. I think it's 2350, so 2350. Serial controllers. LoRa RS provides async LoRa and LoRa 1. I don't even know what this is. Embassy USB, device side USB. Okay, sneak peek, that's all I need. Embassy executor main. Asynchronous main. Init NRF. This might be actually the framework right now. P.P0, what? Okay, so I guess this is like the board, and this is like the pin port, whatever. Degrade. So yeah, I don't like this concept of taking peripherals. I like the C concept where you have just pin mode or whatever, GPIO init and GPIO write, GPIO read with taking a number. Wait for low, wait for high. That's interesting. And that's asynchronous. And you have like, okay, so you have an embedded, basically free RTOS, free real-time operating system. embedded in like a language. Because you have async and executors. Well, that's cool. That's pretty cool. But useful? I don't know. Like you have async and Rust, and not just async and Rust. You have threads and Rust. Okay, not just threads and Rust. You have um your regular source code, like your regular flow with this. So you spawn a thread in embedded stuff where you take, like, you move stuff, you move whatever, you move those things, and like I just can't. I just can't explain it. Yeah. That's it. I don't. So yeah, Rust. Maybe I'll try that at some point. Anyway, how do I get RAM to size? Mu set RAM size. To megabytes. The creator of Sway and Helios microkernel. Okay, Sway is pretty cool, which I haven't tried it. I'm not sure. I mean, I have actually. Helios. Remember Helios. Microkernel. Micro. Okay, I couldn't type it for me. 3 default. ISO Linux. It's ISO Linux. It's not Helios. He's written hair, sure. So this person made it their own language and made the kernel in it. Well, obviously a dream of all of us. Currently targets x86-64, RISC-V64 or RISC-V64. Sorry if this annoys, because this does annoy some people apparently. And IARC64. Oh, so those are on the way. So you're dropping 32-bit support again. Why? Very much work in progress. Don't expect to pick it up and start building anything with it today. From CL4, Helios gives the capability-based design for resolution and security. The kernel offers primitives for locating physical pages, mapping them into address space, and managing tasks, plus features like platform-specific I/O, reading and writing exports. The system is written in hair, plus some necessary assembly for the platform bits, example configuring the GDT or IDT. Okay, early, excited, sure. Several kernel services, memory management, virtual address spaces, simple drivers, primitive multitasking. Also WL roots. Oh, I mean, Sway supports WL roots. So Sway people do a lot of contribution. I know that. And WL roots is like the heart of Wayland compositors at this point. But I'm pretty sure Plasma doesn't use it. Well, actually, maybe it does. Well, Plasma and GNOME, like those two major things. It will probably be able to run Doom fairly soon. GI toolkit. It's really fun. It is fun. It is fun. I admit. I agree. And aim. Yes. It says hugely ambitious project. Yeah, true. It's not ultimately useful. There's a lot of useful stuff. Design a debugger. So ported to Linux as well. Dwarf support. I don't remember what dwarf is. Something debugging related, I guess. And for areas, GI toolkit. Well, Mercury together. Okay, Mercury. Also sounds familiar. Small scope and mixed, for instance, a useful platform of their own. Is it like a piece of hardware? Just never completely materialize. Mercury. I don't know, system. Okay, here. Mercury driver environment. What? Yeah, a bunch of larger areas operating systems. This sounds familiar. An environment for device drivers, huh? That's interesting. Like, yeah. Mercury environment, which is used to writing and running drivers in user space. Yeah. IO port min-max capabilities. One IO port min-max. Yeah, this makes total sense to me. It's like text file. PC serial. As normal ELF files with extra section called manifest, which includes a file similar to following. Okay. Multi-based design in namespaces. C++. Okay, I mean, Rust modules are pretty much the same. Okay, so interface. Well, interesting. An object with file-like semantics. Read pages. It's up to amount bytes of data from a file. Writes up to amount bytes of data. Seeks the file. File ID for the IPC interface. This is interesting. I guess I should be researching more. BFS file implementation, file interface with read, write, and seek provided. So an interface is basically a struct at this point, because you're assigning values to fields. Now, object, pages, Helios capability. Oh, okay. So yeah, file. Also set destroy. Whatever. Okay, so where is the interface part? Language this part by IPC gen. Okay, what's that? Source hut. 3. Okay. Is there a readme? No readme. Okay. This was last time. When commit? When was the last commit? 1 year and 3 months ago. Not bad. Oh no. Examples? I guess no examples. But this is interesting. I wonder what this written in is. What this is written in. Of course, in this language. Immediately, I already forgot what it was. Maybe well, maybe I'll try it at some point. Just like Hello World and I don't know what else. Interface finish. V being what size? Oh, it's size. It's probably size type, like size T or U size or I size. I don't know. Probably not I size. Hopefully not I size, because I mean then this code is bad. I consider it bad because it's from 0. Just this is Zig vibes, really Zig vibes. Which is probably why I would not use it. Well, Raylib, obviously. I don't know. Should I do Raylib stuff? Maybe I should actually do like Raylib tiny demonstration, but I mean, I'm not even intending this to be a stream, cause I stream rarely enough. I guess. But this really feels like Zig to me. Document finish and freeze stuff. CF5 is very straightforward. Yeah, just like with Zig. So I guess just substitute this for Zig. Any reason to use this over Zig? I mean, on the first glance, it's really similar. Also, this is namespace, this is not namespace, this is use. And like, IPC. So this is an IPC language. It's interesting. This is important. Yet to use Zig. I guess. Well, Zig is cool. I also watched a talk on Zig's back to the serial driver. Oh, protocol. Interface serial which extends the file. Interesting. Okay, so yeah. Yet to use Zig. You're yet to use Zig, I guess. Yeah. Anyway. So drivers here. Let's recap. Let's do a small recap. They have IPC protocols. I don't know how. Like serial interface, and like here it's file system interface, but it's not like BFS interface. It's file system interface. So it's general. It's more generic. I guess namespaces here makes sense. So like all of this is an IO namespace. Oh, here it's in dev namespace. And like so you define, so you have those interfaces, and then you have drivers, which the interfaces for protocols, and then you have drivers for that implement those interfaces, which would be an interesting idea. Well, it is an interesting concept. A really interesting concept, in fact. So yeah. I guess let's get back to this. So we don't have enough RAM to add all the zones. Let me roll this back to 4 kilobytes. Now, claim on out of memory. Within a given span upon location. Okay, so OM handler talk claim. Well, I guess we need something to handle out of memory. Can I do like multiple spans? Wasm handler. I guess I could do the same, but for multiple spans, and like yeah, yes. So yeah, should we do it right now? Like, why not? It's it should be pretty short. Struct. Oh, hold on. We're not ready for it yet, actually, because we need to map stuff. So I guess I'm gonna do it later, in some later revision. No. To do. Cool. I'll use system allocator on whatever. To do. So freeze stuff. Check use and is this okay? This is the last thing we should do. We will probably do today if we even end up doing this. Before like yeah, before the end of oh, yeah. So on the next stream we'll probably do orc or something if we do this. Possibly bigger pages. And I am not sure how to do this. No, I am not sure how to do this. Let's see. So we can do minimum size. Well, actually, you know what? I'm gonna leave it for later. Because it's enough for Pierre. And I shoot Pierre as, I guess, as kind of as soon as possible. Status. Is there any, like, debug files? I don't know. Paging. So what have we done actually? Hold on, let me run it first. Actually run and see what we've done. So it's proper location. Come on, why is it like recompiling from source? From scratch? Also I should probably compiling. And so frames dropping. We're like literally saying compiling and I get this. We'll wait a little for it to compile. Or bindgen. We might actually get CC out of this. Because, I mean, it's not used right now. But it's all set up. Okay, so frames should be fine now. No, this... First of all, plus? What does this plus do here? Second of all, well, yeah, it's pretty much... I forgot to remove the messaging zone body, which is important. Git add git commit shm do paging free wait, not free, properly add available memory git push. And now let's do pull request. Yeah, delete mode. It's alright. And I should probably send this to Jax so he sees it. Cause yeah, this could be an interesting read. No, should be able to pull request from this page. I might actually have a pull request going right now. Well, like in draft, probably no. One commit behind. Hold on. What commit have I missed? Oh, it's a merge commit. Should I read base? I'll do git kraken so I can see it better. Okay, so I can't pair because one commit behind. Should I rebase or merge? I think I should rebase because this is a merging commit. And rebasing, well, merging a merging commit feels wrong to me. a little wrong to me. It was still alive. Finally. Okay, it's loading. No. Files now. Come on. What do we need? Etcher. Melter's shell Lua. Yeah, config. No, see, here slash mount dev, what is this? Third party Satan, yes, this third party. It is in third party directory, which I mean, not sure about the name to be honest. No, it actually says that master's here. Interesting. IDT work, and this is what? This is C stuff. Wow, this is old. This is so old. You can see that it's old design, and it's not Rust. Okay, so temporary page mutex and oh yeah, so this is a separate thing. I need to rebate on this, and yes, this does mean force push. This does mean force push, and sure, force pushes are bad, but I just can't. 9 commits ahead of. Can I pull request? Is there a pull request button? Where did pull request button? Oh wait, there's no pull request button because I'm not signed in. Hold on. Yeah, it's fine. No verification request found. Again. Okay, hold on. No, drop thread. Well, yes, I am doing out live on stream, apparently, and why? Why? Yeah, why does it say no verification request found? GitHub is not letting me in. Okay, I ended up using an authenticate rep. Now we're in. Now we're in here, and now we can actually create a pull request. Paging basically done. How do you spell awkward? Awkward. That's interesting. Yeah, this is. Okay, can I actually do like this? So it's both asterisks and italic, and hold on, asterisk could also be italic. Whatever. Sure. I mean, that's not really Git way, but yeah. That's it. Now I'm gonna message Jax that you should check the pull request and also check this page out. How many lines changed? Not that much. 905 and minus 316. I guess that's the number of lines changed basically. I guess that's it, yeah. And I actually recently checked if we do gh log vercel app and if we do this, which probably won't load, because, yeah, errors, as you can see down here, I don't even know which errors, but if we do it this way, and then we do this, and then it's gonna search, it's not finding it. What's the Oracle then? Oracle. So Oracle does work, so it says what? 600, 400, 300, 40, and 200. 1,500, that's not much. So if we do... Well, I did open Satan here somehow. So lines changed. Good small Rust PR has at least 2,000 lines changed, including changes in cargo tone, cargo log, Rust toolchain, and license. Well, changes in license. I don't know what was that. Do we actually? Yeah, we don't have changes in license, fortunately. Rust toolchain. I mean, also Rust toolchain, maybe not. It's a joke. Then I guess yeah. Well, like cargo toml, 2,000 lines is maybe a little overkill, but cargo toml and cargo log, sure, this can be right. Hold on, how did I open regular expression? Snake. Okay, tried Texelware. Okay, here it's gonna be opened. So we have 1.1 thousand lines of code in Rust and license, whatever. Hold on. Oh yeah, this is also JSON and stuff. So it's 1.3k right now. It's not that much. It's not that much. I expected more. Also, repo health 37%, no code of conduct, no contribution guidelines, no issue template, no pull request template, like, I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, let me just message Chucks actually right now. And don't forget the plushies. Have you already done them? Oh, you did. I have a feeling that this is gonna fall apart the second it lands. But hopefully you did a great job. Well, you probably did a great job. Cause my plushes fall apart, not yours. Won't here. The image and then Odin. Then yay, Glenda. Nice. Okay, so how do I do this? I don't remember. Convert plushy / downloads hair sc and Odin. Okay, you know, child processor, what? Sc. You know, suggest me aliases and tags for all of those. So let's do set plushies hair config. So it's languages. Anything else I should add? And Odin is the same. Odin config. Also group languages. Oh, hijacks. I see. Yeah. So I need to launch Godot, and I need to launch it from my home directory, and I need to launch it from terminal. All of those conditions must be met. Well, not necessarily home directory, but QBE backend. Well, QBE is a separate thing, I guess. Let me actually Google it. This sounds familiar. Backend. For now, I guess. QBE. Yeah, 60% performance of industrial optimizing compilers in 10% of the code. Fosters language innovation by offering compact, user-friendly, and performant backend. Yeah, we will be implementing this for our compiler, yes. File.ssa. Oh my god. Actually, is this .ssa file QBE? Is it like universal? What is it? Crane lift? Is like .ssa any standard? No, I guess not. Jai? I don't even know how Jai looks, to be honest. Anyway, QBE, I don't know. And alias for Odin, I feel like it's gonna be it's gonna be too aggressive. Okay, come on, boot up. We need to import the assets. Hopefully I won't have to re-import stuff. Okay, imported now. Is consumed by QBE only? Is it like only QBE? Because I feel like I mean I saw QBE somewhere before, so I guess I saw SSA as well. Nothing else. Delete project, got money of 2 projects. Nice. So yeah, I do have 2 overlays right now. Hold on, don't do stuff yet. Ginger Peel is an analyst for Odin. He's author. He has been in human since. Odin did some QBE stuff. Did he? Oh, sorry, yeah, I see. Okay, now I can actually do assets plushies. So Odin, Ginger Beer. Yes. Now I can run Godot like that, and it should work now. Feel hungry. I started to feel hungry much more lately, for whatever reason. Okay, Odin. Hair video QB. Okay, hair. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. Now. Oh, what was it? It's a complex name. And I mean, aliases are here, but nobody really knows about them. Okay, now, fight. Oh. what, we can do a tiny basketball game. Basketball game. Could do it. I could do a tournament, but guess not. Yeah. Come on. Ow. Oh, what? Oh wait, one of those is yours. Indeed. Ow. Flags. Well, it flags every time. What? Oh my god, you know what happened? Like, fifth function just fell from the sky. Because it's your plushie fell into the basket and... okay. I'm just... I am avoiding those punches. And you punch... yeah, this is interesting. Debian, whatever. Punch Krita. No, Krita is yours. Wait, Kiki. Kiki is yours, you can't punch it. Ow! Three-seater... Jeez. Three-seater just falling apart. Score 9. We've got 50 seconds left. No! You're not gonna do that, huh? Meta me. Okay, go. Go, Singy. Go, dude. Well, why did I go thinking? Nick says, punch! It's your plushie again. Nah, I'm not gonna let you punch. I'm gonna avoid all your punches. Okay, I'm gonna put all of them in one basket. Come on, ASDL, get out. Hey, come on. Just get in. Okay. Hydrate. Yeah, true. You just need to watch. Nyx is yours. And I'm pretty sure this deal is yours too. It's stuck! It's stuck! Both Nyx and SDL are stuck. Okay, I couldn't do anything. Posture check. Thank you for hydration and posture check and... yeah. No, SDL is mine. Should we do a tournament? Okay, best viewers, dude. Can. We can't delete the message. Ow. Okay, we can do a little tournament. I go and put stuff in the basket and you try to punch me. Or you can try to get in into your basket, which is also fair. You're not gonna be able to. So Gnome is yours, by the way. Gnome is yours. Tax is mine. Oh wait, no. Tax is yours actually. I don't even know. Yeah, Tax is yours. I said Gnome is yours. Somehow I mixed them. No, Tax is yours, Nvidia is mine. Come on. Like, it's messing with my controls. You got it, huh? It's cool. Come on. What noise am I making? Come on, get in. I'm using alt. No, don't. It's mine. It's my basket. You've got 1 out of 10. Well, you got 1, I got 10. And I know it's not fair because latency and other things. You're just really good at it. Yeah, I said you're really good at it, and FFS is yours again, and I think it's gonna count towards me again, because it just fell there. Come on, get in that. Get in that. Get in that. You're doing a good job, you know, and I don't know which one of those is mine. I think 3-seater is mine, but doesn't really matter. I can take your plushie and put it in. Okay, yeah, it's actually my plushie. Right one, obviously. Ow! Stop damaging live brick. If you destroy the live brick, then well, so yeah, then the stream's gonna end. Okay, so bottles of wine. I'm just gonna set them on fire. Punch 0. Oh, it's called 0. Okay, 0. Sorry for not protecting you. Fly away. fire. Just burn to death. Like how it burns. You didn't even put it out, huh? You're not even worrying about your flashes. IBM, that's pretty cool, huh? You was more violent. Oh my god, they destroyed us. Anyway, I guess it's like, what is it, 8 p.m? I'm gonna have to wake up relatively early tomorrow. Punch. Ruby. Red ruby. Okay, let me get a better plushie. And let's see if you can... Let's see, oh my god. Okay, let me get a plushie that's not gonna disintegrate on it falls. GitHub seems good enough. Well, it's not actually. Ah, anyway, I'm gonna take Tracer. Like, do this. Okay, I can suspend it actually. Eduardo RFS, Mulberry 2 and Just Kavin are live. Yes, I know. I actually noticed Just Kavin being live. I forgot I should have said that. Anyway. And again, Eduardo RFS and Mulberry 2, I don't think I had them in my full. Anyway. Yeah, I know, I remember, I mean, I guess I didn't know actually. I mean, I didn't remember. Anyway, I guess it's time to end. Yes, time to end. So yeah, thank you for joining, guys. Who do we raid now? First check with any system or compiler devs. Come on, system. Maybe I should add a system tag kernel compiler. I do still have compiler tag. This guy again messing with the Z compiler. Zine static site generator. The compiler development, Zine static whatever static site generator. C++ game engine shader compiler, huh? Gleam compiler. Oh, this guy. I think Gleam had like a milestone recently. Oh, 2 hours ago actually. Huh. Am I not following this guy? That I didn't notice. Like, game not. Guess it's not one. That's one of them with the devs. Some broadcasts. Okay, that looks familiar. Anyway, I guess who do we raid, guys? Who do we raid? We have Kavin out of following, and I don't know what. Nothing really else. Any suggestion? Like, get up. I mean, I guess stream endings and no. Why? Okay, it's hard to maintain this. Anyway, I guess nobody's no suggestions, so okay, yeah, sure. I guess I'm gonna raid Kavin though. What's this light? What's wrong with this light? But yeah, playing. So yeah, thank you for joining. Have a rest of your day. Don't forget to stay hydrated and take care of yourself. I can say same to you, to all of you. Thank you for joining. And yeah, I'm gonna be ending. Goodbye.